In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a free and easy to use mouse highlighter just like this one. All you need to do is go to the Microsoft Store and search for mouse pointer highlight and download and install. Takes just a few seconds. And once you do that, open up and you get a screen like this. This little menu here allows you to change the size of your mouse highlighter. I'm going to change this to 90. And I could change the color. So I'm going to select the color. I'm going to change it to blue. And okay. So, I can even select the opacity if I would like. Then I can enable a little click like this. A little highlight where I have clicked. I can change the size of that. I'm going to change this to 45. And my displace time, I'm going to do 1200 milliseconds. Apply that setting. Let's see. Yeah, see? It's pretty easy. And to get rid of it, all you got to do is just click out of it and it's gone. Just that simple.